Hi everyone, I'm here to film a what's in my bag as well as a what fits in the Gucci belt bag. This is the size small, so I have it in the cream with the navy and red webbing strap. So this is how it looks. It has this type of adjustment, like a knob buckle thing. Yeah. And then a front zip. So let's see what I have. So it's super tiny, so you need to be, I guess you need to really downsize, and you also need to know where everything is, kind of like strategize how you're gonna put it. So this is how it looks. So first things first, I have a lipstick. This is Whirl by MAC. I just filmed a favorites video and that's in my video. And same outfit also, sorry guys. And then I also have my card holder. That's how it looks. And then my phone with a pop socket. And this is the new iPhone XS, and I also have an unboxing of that. I have some feminine products. I have a cookie. I have some business cards and a whole bunch of receipts. Oh yeah, a bunch. Just put that to the side. So that is everything in this bag. So as you can see, it doesn't really fit very much. I actually can fit my phone, 2 cards maybe, and then my camera that I'm filming with right now, which is the Canon G7X. So I mean, it fits an okay amount, but it's definitely like tight once it's like super full, like getting your phone in and out type of situation. And this is how my phone looks against it. So yeah, doesn't fit much, so I don't know if I like really love it, like it. I don't even know if I might sell it. But yeah, that's what I have in my bag. Now let's see what can fit. So let's put the phone back. Let's say you have a bigger wallet. I really have a bigger wallet. Let's see, this pochette. Oh no, that's not gonna fit. Okay, so let's say you have a bifold wallet like so. This is my husband's. Just gonna put that in there. It does fit. And then what else can you put? I guess you can put your feminine products and a lipstick. You can put your snack in there again. Ugh. Let's see if that'll close. Oh, that closed. Cool. Okay, let's see what else. I'm a mom, so let's see if a diaper can fit in here. So I have a diaper. It's folded in half. Oh, it fits. And then my phone, a disposable changing pad. Let's see if that'll fit. Oh, and that fits. And I'm sure you can put like a compact wipes in there. Maybe not. And then the lipstick and your card holder. Let's see. Yep, those all fit. Let's see if it'll zip. And it did. You can see it's full. Oh, and my phone just vibrated. But yeah, I mean, I guess it just depends. If you guys are really, you know, wanting to downsize, then this would be perfect. I feel like on my frame it is a little bit small, but that's just me. So let me show you guys how it looks on my body. yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you. Bye.